Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021. This has been about 2 to 3 weeks in the making, this new exercise. It's a little bit more difficult than some of the other Tendu exercises that I've done before, and I highly recommend that you go back and do those and definitely bang bang before you attempt this, because this is probably an intermediate or advanced level for how difficult it is in the head. So this is my left leg, but start using your right, whatever you prefer. Now, this combination is done with the outside leg, forward and back, and the inside leg, forward and back, and then you turn around and do the same thing. It is really quite fast as well and difficult. So I think today we're probably only going to do one side, and then we'll probably look at doing the other side, or you can potentially learn it from this video on the other side. So we're going to start with the 2 tendus forward. It's a very distinct pattern, this one. I'm just going to have my arms out at second, or I might occasionally do arabesque. So outside leg, 1, 2, and then we're going to change 3, and then 1 to second. So it's double, single, change. So the first round is doubles, the second round is singles. Use it to the back. And the same, 1, 2, single, over. Then we're going to do singles with this front leg. Single, single, and then we go same change. Same, change, single, single, and then we're going to go same, same, because I want that outside leg to now repeat to the back. So now we're going to go with the doubles to the back. 1, 2, single, over. 1, 2, single, back. Now back to the singles. Single, same, change, single, same. Now the reason why is because now that we've done the outside leg to the front and the back, I want to have the inside leg in the front to go and do that combo. So now when we do the inside leg, it's a little bit different because the outside leg is still doing the tendus to second. The less you think about it, the easier this is going to be. Doubles to start. 1, 2, single, over. Inside leg. 1, 2, single, under. Okay, now singles. Single, and it's always same, change, and then single, same, same, so that we can use the inside to the back. Doubles again. 1, 2, same, under. 1, 2, single, over. Singles. It's always same change on the first time. Now, on the last one, 1, 2, now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go 1, 2, but in reality, we would go over, turn, and do the whole thing on the other leg to the back, but for this video, I'm going to turn around my bar. Again, the less you think about this, the easier that it gets, starting with the outside leg. 1, 2, back, under. 1, 2, single, over. Singles. Same, change. 1, 2, and then same. So we're going to go to that. 1, 2, same, over. 1, 2, same, under. 1, 2, same change. 1, 2, and then same. So that the inside leg is in the front to start again. All right, final one. Final side. 1, 2. 1, 2. Singles. Same. Change. Same. To the back. 1, 2. 1, 2. Singles, same, change, singles, so this is where we would turn, but I'm going to do this. Okay, that is the full breakdown. I've not done this many times to the music yet because I have worked really hard on getting that solid and the timing being right. Now, the song that we're doing this to is the part of cart from Swan, the Danses. the one that everyone should be very, very familiar with. The tying should be quite easy. However, it is batshit insane fast, unfortunately. So that means at this point, I'm still personally dropping the bundle about maybe like half of the time. But that's because this is a really, really new exercise. I guess that really proves my point as to how difficult it is. So I'm still at the point where I'm not really working my technique very hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the music and we're just going to try and do one side. It is so fast I can't really say the instructions very well at the same time, which makes it difficult. But we're going to give it a go anyway. This is an exercise that we're going to be doing for about the next month, probably at least, on my Sunday ballet class, because this is a real hard one. Here we go, I guess. So I'm gonna count this in. 5, 6, 7 doubles. 1, 2, 1, 2. Singles. Same change. Same. 1, 2. Here we go. So on the second slide, the inside, I messed that up. So we're going to do that again. How about we do this just to make it a little bit easier, maybe for you to follow along. I'm going to do the inside leg and I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to do the outside leg. And then I'm going to stop. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take a break between the doubles and then the singles as well. Just to give everybody enough time to catch up so that you can keep doing it. In class, the idea will be is that we run through both sides, but it's so hard, okay? So hard. The inside leg to the back. 5, 6, 7 singles. That's when we turn around. Okay, hopefully that helped. This is actually a very short piece of music at 1:25, so we barely have enough time to get all this in. Let's try that again. Let's do the outside leg only and try and do the doubles and singles together. So it's double, double, 1 over, double, double, 1 over, single, same, change, single, same, same. Let's just get that much. Five, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the outside leg once more. And maybe then we can try and add both the front and the back together. Five, 6, 7 doubles. Singles. To the back. And we're going to do it once more, exactly the same, just the outside leg, both the singles and the doubles. And then we'll see if we can add the next bit in. It's okay, it's quite hot here today, so have to excuse me. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's all we're going to do for today. I'm going to call this part 1 because I might come back later and do the other side and actually do it with the turn. But for now, I hope you enjoyed grinding along with me. It is definitely a hard exercise, so I hope you enjoy it.